Ever wondered why DeFi feels so complex and risky? Why is so much crypto capital just sitting there, not being put to work? It's because the tools we've had until now have been a mess of manual tasks and dangerous trade-offs. You either have to constantly monitor the market yourself, or you have to hand over your private keys to a third-party bot, which is a massive security risk. That's a huge problem. Now, imagine if you could put your crypto portfolio on autopilot, delegating complex strategies to an AI, but without ever losing control of your assets. That's exactly the problem Newton Protocol solves. Newton isn't just another DeFi protocol, it's a verifiable automation layer for Web3. It's built on a simple yet powerful idea, automating on-chain actions in a way that is secure, transparent, and auditable. Newton solves three key problems. 1. Broken UX and underutilized capital. DeFi today is a fragmented landscape. To do something as simple as rebalancing a portfolio or yield farming across different chains, you have to manually jump between multiple platforms, pay multiple gas fees, and constantly monitor your positions. It's a terrible user experience, and it's why only about 40% of stablecoins are actively used. Newton changes this by allowing users to create automation intents. Think of them as smart, programmable commands. You could set a rule like, rebalance my portfolio every week to maintain a 60/40 ETH/BTC ratio, or automatically repay my loan if my collateralization ratio drops below 120%. Newton's agents handle all of these complex, cross-chain operations for you, freeing up your time and making your capital more efficient. 2. Untrusted and risky automation. Existing automation solutions, like simple trading bots, are fundamentally broken. They often require you to give up your private keys, making you vulnerable to hacks, phishing attacks, and malicious operators. You have no way of knowing if the bot is actually doing what it's supposed to. Newton solves this with verifiable automation, which uses a combination of trusted execution environments, TEEs, and zero-knowledge proofs, ZKPs. TEEs provide a secure, tamper-proof environment where the automation logic runs. This means even the operator of the agent can't see your private keys or tamper with the code. ZKPs create a cryptographic proof for every single action the agent takes. This proof is then posted on-chain, so you can cryptographically verify that the agent's actions perfectly align with your original instructions, all without revealing any sensitive information. This brings a new level of trust and accountability to automation. 3. Missing infrastructure for AI agents. As AI technology advances, there's a growing need for a secure and decentralized way for AI agents to interact with Web3. Current systems lack the verifiable execution environments and granular permissions needed for this. Newton provides the foundation for this by creating a secure agent marketplace where developers can build and deploy AI-powered agents. These agents can perform advanced tasks like AI-governed trading or data analysis, and their actions are always constrained by the user's ZK permissions. These permissions are sophisticated, on-chain rules that set strict boundaries for the agent's behavior, like risk sensitivity checks or transaction volume limits. This enables a new category of intelligent, autonomous, and secure financial applications. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.